Mae Thomas, dyn canol oed gyda gwallt tywyll weddol hir a'n gwisgo crys brown yn eistedd yn ei gartref i ddarlledu adroddiad.
Noswaith dda. Some of you might remember the news report I posted about that solar flare. The big one, the direct hit to the Earth's magnetic field that disrupted satellite networks back in July. Trust me, that was a big deal. It is a big deal. Over the last couple of months, I've been digging into reports about unusual activity in and around that day. Not just disruption to communications, but something more remarkable. A number of the reports refer to voice messages received that day sent from, stay with me, from the future. I know. I've tracked down those messages. I've listened to them myself. They might be hoaxes, but the science does seem to back it up. What I can confirm is that these messages all seem to have been received on 19th July, the day of the solar flare, and another storm is coming. On Monday, 26th September, a geomagnetic storm is predicted to hit the Earth. I'll be watching. Will you? Gwyliwch yn ofalus.